आता बघू होतंय. आणि मला होस्ट करा.
मला काय करू?
मला
होस्ट करू का?
पहिलं सर गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So good morning everybody. I welcome all the participants on behalf of Department of Civil Engineering, Government College of Engineering, Karad. This faculty development program on machine learning and deep learning applications in engineering and science, we are jointly organizing with our mentor team partner, Rajkesh Engineering College, Azamgarh. I once again warm welcome to all the participants for this faculty development program. Friends, in this faculty development program, you are going to learn so many things related to the machine learning and deep learning. We have very good resource person for this FDP, and we'll start this faculty development program from very crust, from introduction to the different applications. For this program, we have resource person from different backgrounds. They will cover AI techniques, its relation with the machine learning, deep learning, machine learning applications in e-commerce, use of artificial intelligence in maternal health, smart farming with applied machine learning, satellite image processing applications by machine learning and deep learning algorithm, and different mathematical tools, regression analysis using Python as well as MATLAB. I'm very happy to inform you for this FDP, we receive around 2,700 participant response, and we give the confirmation to all the participants. Although we have limitations for this particular Zoom and WebEx, we can only give the access to the 1,000 participants. But once that 100 participants access the Zoom, we'll give the access to the another participants on the YouTube. Now this program is broadcasting simultaneously on the YouTube. Now I request Professor Srinivas Valankar sir, head of the department, kindly brief about the program and also about the departmental activity. Valankar sir, please.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Honorable Principal Dr. Pise sir, course coordinator Amar Singh Lange, TechUp coordinator Professor Konnur, all participants. Now the engineering department has started in 1960 running program engineering and construction management. The department has accreditation for 2 times and proceeding for 3rd time. Department has already conducted many seminars, conferences, workshops, and short-term training programs for the faculty development in the past. But this is our 2nd attempt on online FDP during the lockdown period. So first FDP on the MATLAB and its application was conducted in the last week of the April 2020. And afterwards, we received a large demand from the participants to conduct the FDP on artificial intelligence, machine learning based contents. Accordingly, the department is attempting another FDP on machine learning and data learning, deep learning with a short notice of time. With the efforts of Professor Lange, Professor Konnur, TechUp coordinator, and the approval and support given by our principal, we are attempting this machine learning and DL program. Faculty development program, the main objective of this program is to make participants aware about the data mining, machine learning with its real-time application, as these are now emerging areas. And this is not restricted to only the circuit branches. This is open to all the branches, which are non-circuit branches and circuit branches as well. Now, this data mining and real-time, these are new emerging areas. And in this program, the participant will able to learn data handling, supervised and unsupervised data handling, elimination of noisy data, and training the refined data, machine learning, algorithm, AI algorithm, deep learning, image processing, and analysis. Applications of artificial neural network, forward and backward propagation, and the regression analysis. I hope all the participants will spend their quality time hearing and awareness of the subject during the lockdown period due to COVID-19. Suggestions and any comments are welcome the telegram or the group chat for further necessary action and our improvement. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, Valankar sir. Now I request Basavaraj Konnur sir, TQ coordinator and convener of this program. Please brief about this program and TQ activity of our institute. Konnur sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Honorable Principal, Dr. Ashok Pise sir, Head of the Department, Dr. Varunskar, Heads of the other departments, Deans, my colleagues and participants. Good morning to all. It is my pleasure to welcome you all for this online faculty development program on this machine learning and deep learning applications in engineering and science. As you may be aware, now this is the 6th program we are conducting after the lockdown. And before this, during the last month, our mentee institute Rajkiya Engineering College, Ajamgarh, has also conducted 5 programs which we have supported. And during TechCube 2 also we have conducted many programs, and because of the many programs we conducted, our institute adjourned as one of the best performing institute. And in TechCube 3 also we continued the same support. Almost in every academic year we are conducting 10 to 12 FDPs. Accordingly, this year, during this academic year also in 2021, we had planned 10 FDPs and also 2 international conferences. But because of, unfortunately, this lockdown problem, we could not conduct FDPs, but immediately we thought of conducting online programs that is in place of the regular FDPs. Whatever the limited infrastructure we are having, with that we are trying to conduct. This is our first experience, because being a institute situated in rural area, we are not that much familiar with all such online courses and all that. But within a short period of time, my colleagues and the supporting staff, they picked up the technology and they are trying to conduct it. Now this, for every program we are conducting, we are getting a very good response from the participants. As usual, in each and every program we are taking care that the fundamentals will also, along with applications, will be covered. Similarly here, machine learning and deep learning applications in engineering science, even though the circuit branches faculty are very well aware about this machine learning technology, but non-circuit branches, particularly the civil engineering and other allied branches, they are not that much aware. Therefore, in civil engineering, we thought that we should conduct one program pertaining to this machine learning. And because of the very hard efforts taken by Amar Singh Landge, we could materialize this one. We hope that the program will be conducted as per plan. If there are some technical difficulties, we are trying to solve them. Please bear with us in case of any such difficulties. Now, with this, I hand out the session to the Landge sir. Please, Landge sir.
Thank you, Konnur sir. Friends, without this TechCube financial support, it is quite difficult to organize any such kind of the program. And such kind of program only possible in our organization because of the valuable guidance and motivation of the Professor Konnur sir and Srinivas Valunskar sir, and also our Honorable Principal, Dr. Ashok Pise sir. Now I request Honorable Principal, Dr. Ashok Pise sir, please guide the participants.
Good morning, everybody. Honorable Speaker Samir Arora, Head of the Department Civil, Walunskar sir, TechUp Coordinator Professor Konnur, Coordinator of this workshop and pillar of this workshop, so this FDP, that is Amar Singh Landge sir, and his team, participants from all over the corner of the state and nation. Welcome to behalf of Government College of Engineering, Karad. This Government College of Engineering, Karad is established in 1960 with aim of the government is to develop the technical education in rural area with basic 3 branches: civil, mechanical, and electrical. In 1967, there is 5 PG branches is added. That is for civil, there is construction management, the structural engineering. For mechanical, there is production and heat power engineering, and power electrical in electrical engineering. Then next milestone is 1993. There is a unique program of Master of Computer Application. He started under this unique program of Shivaji University, Kolhapur. There is only one unique program in Shivaji University, Kolhapur, this Master of Computer Application. Then due to this late Pramod Mahajan, we have started this IT to the all government college in 2001. Then 2007, we have added new program of electronics telecommunication. Then last year, we have started 2 PG programs. One is into the IT department, that is computer science engineering, and mechanical, that is design engineering. This near about this college campus is, you have all our online mode, so you have not seen to the physical infrastructure of our college. We are missing all of you. We are seen only directly only by audio or your photo communication only. The institutes autonomous in 15 with we are given the 5 years autonomy, and we are in the TechUp 2. We have secured first rank in the state. We have performed very well into the state, so we are selected into the TechUp 3. In TechUp 3, we are acting as a mentor institute for the Rajkiya College of Azamgarh. And in performance audit of the first of the TechUp 2, already told by Professor Konnur, we have secured first rank into the state and second rank into the nation. Same trend is performance audit 3 and performance audit in 2, and will be get same trend we will try for performance audit 3 also. This course started, we have also colleges NBA accredited, and we are going for 3rd cycle of NBA accreditation, and team will be likely to be visiting into the after this COVID period. And we are applied for the 4 UG program this presently, and after 4 UG we will apply this 5 PG programs for accreditation. This civil department in this lockdown period, this is second FDP arranged this. I again congratulate major this task taken by in the shoulder, that is Professor Landge, and also supporting by their department. I again congratulate to all the team of the civil engineering. This subject today is that artificial intelligence and its engineering application. this artificial intelligence and engineering application, this is interdisciplinary subject actually. And RUSA, Rashtriya Uchchatar Shikshan Abhiyan, who has done the survey of the total related to the job and all this opportunity, next opportunities, they have identified the 6 verticals. In that, one of the is artificial intelligence and machine learning is there. So its main theme is artificial intelligence engineering applications. Okay, I think more focus on the related to the application oriented of the program. I thanks to this new task taken by this Dr. Professor Landgren. Also, I am announcing one that is same subject. One conference is arranged by this Government College of Engineering Karad by IT Information Technology Department, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. It is on in 21st May to 22nd May, and there will be the 5 keynote lectures and online mode. This is a paper presentation, and attendee can be free of registration for attendee. If you enjoy, if you want, register for this program. Also, this international conference of the artificial intelligence and machine learning, which is held in 21st May. Also, this same, there is conference under TechUp, this civil engineering, that is international conference on recent trends in civil engineering, that is, I think, held in 25th and 26th May online. Thank you. Wishing all of you have good health and stay home and stay safe. Also, pray all of you, God, to go Corona so that we will, in future, we will meet physically. Thank you. Thanks for all the participants. Best wishes for the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Principal, Dr. Ashok Pise sir, for enlightening this program, as well as whatever the development and history of Government College of Engineering Karad. And sir, I assure you, under your guidance, definitely will progress more and more, not only in this faculty development program, but also in future, our faculty will more focus on the research activity, and will try to undertake more research project under the umbrella of Government College of Engineering Karad.